How to remove sold out items from featured products on Shopify. So for example, I'm on my Shopify homepage and you can see the featured products and I have a sold out item right here. Now to remove it, you'll need to go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to select products from the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select collections from the drop down menu option. And you're going to tap on add collection in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to give your collection a name. For example, I'll call mine test. After doing that, you're going to select browse right beside search products. And you're going to select all of the products that are on your store. Then tap on add. After doing that, you're going to select save in the bottom right hand corner. Once it has been saved, what I want you to do now is you can simply tap on the X to remove the sold out product. So for example, I could simply tap on the X right there to remove it. And once it is back again, once it is available, I could select browse and then from there I can tap on the box to add it once more and select done. But now like how it is unavailable, we're just going to remove it. Since it has been removed, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select online store. From here, you're going to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select featured collection. After selecting featured collection, you're going to tap on collections from the top left hand corner right where you see products, and you're going to select replace, and you're going to select the collection that you have created. Once you have done that, you can tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.